Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izul Khairi bin Saiful Mahdi. My matrix number is AA200718, and today I'm going to tell you about the introduction of our project. First of all, there are two types of crash data collection in terms of method to track road crash and fatalities. One of that is ultras based by the Royal Malaysian Police, which is RMP, and another one which is research based by the Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research. Investigation by RMP serves legal purpose grounded by the Road Transport Act 1987 and covers all levels of crash severity on the spot. The research-based approach by the MIROS, which is Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research, identifies crash and injury factors consisting of human, engineering and environment aspect conducted by two criteria, which is retrospective and on the spot. The number of road accidents in Malaysia is increased during last 10 years. Meanwhile, the number of fatalities has been a steady reduction from peak at 7,152 in 2016 and shows the lowest number at 6,167 in 2019 during the last 10 years. The Malaysian government is working to introduce a set of new safety regulation in an effort to lower accident and mortality cases and mortality rates on the country roads. The new laws and majority of which are based on UN, which is United Nations and other regional and international organizations, international safety standards, are projected to have a significant positive impact on the road segment. For our background of study, first, the scope of study mostly covered on the main road of SMK Tun Mahathir, Batu Berendam 75350 Melaka. Second, the raw data gathered from our road inspection with Google Map and measurement utilizing statistical methodologies will be used in this study, which will focus on the road safety sign along the road based on JKR and Metra guideline. Based on JKR and Metra guideline for school zone layout for roads, there are several requirement infrastructure that needs to be added to. The requirements that have been written are: first, speed bump, speed limit signboard, pedestrian crossing, bus stop, sidewalk, speeding sign, and traffic light for crossing. For our problem statement, year after year, the number of car accidents in a developing country has increased. Malaysia's government has always regarded road safety as one of its societal responsibilities. Individuals, car, and on-the-road environment all have an impact on traffic safety in the traffic system, as do observation and analysis on traffic accident circumstances. The level of road safety has been proved to be one of the most important components of road traffic safety. Some drivers do not obey the speed limit around is one of the main factors of accident occur around school in Malaysia. In fact, most drivers in Malaysia only obey the speed limit when there is a speed limit camera. Any Malaysian highway is not a licensed race circuit where anyone can drive over the speed limit, especially when it rains and visibility is poor. Okay. For our objective of this project, which is road safety inspection. Okay, first objective is to emphasize the importance of school compound safety. Second objective is to lessen the danger of crash on school grounds by lowering collision rates and severity rates. Third objective is to identify if the safety sign on the road around the school compound follow the JKR and Metra guideline.
The first method we use in this project is instant street view. To find the location we are looking for quickly, we try the Google Place Library autocomplete service. The panorama are displayed using the street view service. We type the address we were looking for into a basic search box on the screen, and as we write, we will lead straight to an image of the location without having to manually adjust the street view resolution. Image and street overview have been zoomed in for a clear picture and saved directly from the street view using the screenshot tool. This app also allows us to easily get direction from street views and nearby location to our destination. and also have a date. There are day, month and year, and also credit of the available image information located at every page. After that is a Google Map. Google Maps give detailed information on geographic regions and sites all around the world. Aerial and satellite views of numerous locations are available on Google Maps, in addition to traditional road map. In some cities, Google Map provides street views that are made up of image shot from vehicles. We also use Google Map to find the distance that we choose. This is because Google Map can measure distance on this app to give you the approximate mileage between any 2 points or more that you place on the app. This distance are simple to calculate using Google Map, whether you're using on a desktop or mobile device. After that is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is an application to create document and so on. But using Word, we also can create a street map by inserting icons and shape found in the software more easily. The function of the street map is to get a clearer picture of the road, including the safety aspect of the road. This program will result in a near drawing with dimensions that appear to be the same as real life. The last method we use is Myro's Traffic and Road Safety Audit Handbook, METRA, to compare the condition of our reference area with the legal references that have been set to be placed on school area roads. That is to ensure the safety of all road users. After that, I will present about flowchart. In 28 November 2021, we were given a project assignment by the lecturer, and then we divide into several groups with 4 people per group. And then we discuss the group to select a study area. In 30 November 2021, we confirm the study area and then select the study area and then submit it to a lecturer. In 1 December 2021, we divide tasks among group members. In 2 December 2021 until 5 December 2021, we find references that can be used and start making project report according to their respective divisions, and then discuss the project when a misunderstanding occurs. In 6 December 2021, we start discuss about street map with group member, and then we also discuss about Google Street View. In 7 December 2021, we start making a METRA checklist. In 8 December 2021, we make an inspection of the report and correct all the error we found in the report. In 9 December 2021 until 10 December 2021, we start record a video presentation. In 11 December 2021, we start edit a video presentation and make a final check to the report and video. In 12 December 2021, we submit report project and video to lecturer. In 13 December 2021, we do a project presentation.
Findings and discussion. For the inspection finding, the inspection at Sekolah Menengah Tun Mutakhir was conducted to collect data on the road section on traffic safety indicators in surrounding communities, road conditions and infrastructure, and variables that might impact accidents in the area. We noticed that following throughout our investigative process. For the right side from crosswalk, for the first photo, we have no objection to speeding signs. For the second photo, we have no objections to pedestrian crossing sign because it meets a proper distance standards. Next, we have no objections to pedestrian crossing signs. For the fourth photo, we have no objection to speeding signs. Next, we have no objections about the tree that was sideways along the way because it is small trees and the diameter less than 100 mm, so it will not disturb the view of road users. For the next photo, we have no objection with speed bump along the street. Then we have no objection to the pedestrian crossing signs. Also, we have no objection with the crosswalk. For the next photo, we have no objection with the push button position. For the last photo, we have no objection to the pedestrian's walk. For the left side from crosswalk, first photo, we have no objection with the hour signs and the pedestrian's crossing sign. For the second one, we have no objection with the road bump along the street. But for the 13th photo, we have objection to the pedestrian crossing sign because it's covered by the tree. Also for 14th photo, we have objection with the bus stop signs because it is too short to be visible for the road users. Last but not least, we have objection against bus lay-by at bus stop because there is no space for the buses to stop and disturb other road users. For discussion, data was gathered and processed in accordance with the techniques stated in the methodology session. During this session, we consider that possibility of accident endangering the life of the road users, particularly during peak hours when the youngsters travel to and from school. We identify that various traffic safety concerns that needed to be fixed or improved for the safety and comfort for users, and we provided recommendation on how these dangers might just be decreased or eliminated. Among the proposals we have is to offer a more comfortable bus stop and a by-lane space for the buses to stop, as it is quite unsafe if the bus stop is too close to the main road. Furthermore, recoloring of the road line is necessary since some areas of the road line have faded and are difficult to notice by road users.
My name is Muhammad Adimi Salim and my metric number is AA200174, and now I will continue with the conclusion. Based on this road safety inspection RSI that we operate for the road in front of SMK Tumtahi, we found out either the road poses any problem for the road safety. We can conclude that the road has an optimum level of safety because a lot of the common item that's required for the road has been installed. The items also follow the requirement of JKR and Metra's guideline. Those items are important to maintain the rate of safety for the user. Other than that, the item also make the user more cautious when they are using the road. In addition, following the requirement by JKR and Metra guidelines are important because it's already covered the road safety factor. Every item that follows the requirement show that the road is equipped with items that will help the user to keep their safe. Safety are the most priority for the road user need to be maintained to make sure that they doesn't involve in any accident. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.